Major Miss Director, Mr. Rajesh Tiwari, These Honorable Chairman, Gabbar Bhopal, Mr. Ashok Pandey, Minor Crusader, Major Disaster. 3 zombies, Priyalanini, Savi, Satvam, reluctant teachers. Jaspal Gill, brave but failed IS according. Sunita Rao, Tantrik from BC, this area. And finally, myself, Miss
53 schools.
Target.
Target 56 schools.
When?
3 more schools to go.
Tantara.
Tak tak chappan. Kab tak chappan.
जाने वो
कैसे लोग थे जिनको
free. We shall do it.
We
We
will,
shall
we will.
overcome. Yes.
We shall overcome.
Good morning.
Now what? Good morning.
We are BCSAs.
ISA briefing. Director's wish.
Okay.
Walkabout. Action plan. ISA. Do you know about ISA?
Yes, yes. India se America.
India से America. Okay.
International stipend arrives.
Stipend? No!
Stipend. No stipend.
Intelligence School Administration.
Intelligence School Administration? No, no, no. It is International School Award.
What? No, no, no. No money. No money. No money.
Work. Projects. So we are here to tell you to make action plan projects. You have to do projects, action plans.
Action plans?
What action?
Why we?
You have registered.
We paid.
You make.
You paid and we'll make? No, no, no. You have to make the projects.
Absurd. Absurd. Absolute.
You took money from us and you want us to work?
That was a registration money.
Not done, not done.
We'll tell you. We'll tell you.
We'll help you.
We'll help you. And so this is, you know, mixing classroom.
Here comes the latecomer.
So, hope you have understood.
So send us action plan. Teachers.
Don't miss the look on the faces of the teachers.
No, not any project. So, are we done with the action plans for the day? Yes. Excuse me. Don't forget the feedback forms in the folder, please. So, how many of you are one minute. Registration form? Registration form?
So you think you'll be going for the ISA this time?
What?
Yes.
Last day?
Yes.
Last day?
What about you, ma'am? Will you be going for the ISA this time? Yes, yes. What about draft? Money? Guidance manner. Okay.
Sindhu.
Train. Hello?
Is it Lakshmi?
Yes,
Ma'am? Yes, hello. Lakshmi, have you sent the registration form? Yes, ma'am, I have. But, ma'am, could you please explain how to write an action plan? Lakshmi, I really don't have time now. But please, please, ma'am, I can come to your school also. Can you make it tomorrow? Yes. What time? I'm really very busy, Lakshmi. 2 p.m.? Okay, okay, 2 p.m.
Train, train. Train, train.
I'm so sorry, we're late. I'm late. Ma'am, yes.
Train, train. Principal, principal. Train, train.
Yeah, ma'am.
Train, train.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am, yes. Yes, you've understood this?
Yes,
So now you can submit it in 2 days' time?
Yes.
Okay.
Hi, Smriti ma'am.
Hello, Purti.
Here.
Hi, Purti. How are you?
Good. Has ABC Public School submitted the action plan?
Haven't they as yet?
No, not yet.
Oh my. I'll check. I'm so sorry. I'll just check with him.
Fast,
Yeah, sure.
Train, train. Train.
Hello? Yes, hello ma'am. Actually, I'm so sorry. We were having the CBSE accreditation in school. So, I'm so sorry. Lakshmi, I've been trying you so long. Where have you been all these days? I'm so sorry, madam. I'm so sorry. Are you going to do the ISA finally? Ma'am, yes. Can we postpone it to round 2 this year? Oh, I'll just take a try. I'll ask Purti. Please, ma'am. Thank you so much. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Ma'am, can we do it next year? Who is it? Who is speaking on the phone? This is Lakshmi. Lakshmi. Yes, Lakshmi. Where have you been? Yeah. Ma'am, can we do it next year? Lakshmi, this is very difficult. It's going to be tough. But let me try it. Let me try asking the British Council, please. But ma'am, there's one more news for you. Yes. There's a person called Meera from our school. Okay. She's also been taken in as a coordinator. Oh, okay. So could you please explain the action plan to her? All over again?
In reality,
Oh, welcome. I'm so glad to meet you.
I'm so glad to join. Ma'am, can you please tell me what is ISA?
Oh my God.
in reality, no BCSA was Sumriti ma'am from Nagpur. ISA Coordinator 1, Lakshmi ma'am from Delhi. ISA Coordinator 2 is Meera ma'am from Delhi. Purti's role was played by Anjana ma'am from Gurgaon. And Sandhya ma'am from Delhi. And
Good lights.
सुनो 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 भाइयों और
दादागिरी ट्रेनिंग मुफ्त मुफ्त मुफ्त
क्या लिखा है? फिर रिजेक्ट हो गया। डूब मरो सबके सब। चुल्लू पानी में। बर्खास्त कर दूंगा सबको।
तांत्रिक तांत्रिक श्रीमती पारक को बुलाते हेलो
Hello.
यस
Yes, this is Gabbar from Horror Public School.
Yes, tell me. Look, it's okay. It's not the end of the world.
मैडम आप सबसे पहले वो पुराना वाला पीस से हटाइए।
Hटाओ! Submit your action plan for review.
PCA को हटाओ।
PCA को हटाओ. PCA को हटाओ. इस सब में किसका गला कटा? सब राजदूत खबरदार.
Our team members are Jia from Goa, Surya from Chennai, Anu from Delhi, myself also from Delhi, and Sangeeta ma'am from Delhi. Sangeeta ma'am is like.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Please have a seat. Thank you. Yes, Mrs. Saxena, no admissions. I think we should add some global dimension to our school.
Ma'am, I'm trying, but I'm just looking for someone to help the school to ramp. We are trying with advertisement, with everything, but I'm failing in my admissions. Let's see what I can do.
Doesn't matter. You keep trying.
Good afternoon, Gloria. Please come.
What is it, ma'am? Any problems?
The management is not happy. I'm also very upset. The school is not getting any name. I don't find my school's name anywhere. You know, you all are working hard, but in vain. I'm not getting any admissions.
Ma'am, I know a friend. I think I can work that out.
Where?
I'll just try. In the British Council, I have a contact. I will just try out whether that will help.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you, ma'am. Surya, long time no see. Where have you? Hello, Hanu. I'm a little worried.
Why? What happened?
My ma'am is worried because of the admissions.
Oh, don't worry about anything. I think I have a solution for me. Let's go to ma'am. I'll just have a talk with British Council.
That's really nice.
This is Hanu here. I think I have a lead. So, would you be coming with me for this, or should I take the briefing lead and go forward about it?
Please go ahead, please.
Okay, thank you.
My friend.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think I have the right solution for you. The ISA program of British Council, competence development for teachers, GTA, connecting classrooms, international exposure for children. So we have everything here.
Will we be able to do all this?
Oh, don't worry about that, ma'am. We are always there. Purti is there from British Council. Ritika is there. Anju is there. They are always on their toes to help us out. And I am there to help you out. So I'll accompany you all the way through.
Okay,
And
we'll
get
take
over
the
it.
project.
Thank you.
Why don't you display this at the reception?
I just got the news. I should congratulate you for this. Thank you so much.
Thank you, but this is all the work of our teachers, teamwork, and
Don't worry, I brought something more for her as well. Congratulations, you have really brought up our school. Thank you so much.
Good day, BCSC. How's it? All prepared for the 100 words? Plans are ready? Plans are ready? Are we going to smash it?
We will discuss it now.
We'll discuss now.
What? Discuss it now? You're supposed to do it yesterday.
No, not now. We'll do now.
No, forget it. Not acceptable. Not acceptable at all.
Yesterday, busy.
I went out shopping.
I
Not
went
acceptable.
visiting.
No.
I went shopping too.
If I feel I better forget it and stop it at that and let's think of something else. If you wish to do the project, you better do it. Otherwise, forget it.
My goodness,